Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are doing this cute hairstyle. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm just starting off by parting my hair in the center. As you guys already know, I already washed and moisturized my hair. I always start off hair that's already washed and moisturized every time I style my hair and every time I do protective style. So here I am just parting my hair because I need that center to have a braid going down. Okay, and I'm gonna put the rest of the hair away like so. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's the hair that I need, and using this shine jam gel, I think that's what it's called. It's the yellow one. I'm gonna use that. I usually use Eco Styler gel, but for this video or for this hairstyle, I wanted to try something different, and I actually really like it. So yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna use that to braid a cornrow that's just gonna go down on the center of my head, but it's not gonna go run all the way at the back. Okay, and that's how it looks like. Alright, so on this part right here, you guys already know, if you know me, you know, I fail at parting my hair. I don't know how people who do these videos part their hairs without help, but I can't. So I tried my best to do this on camera, but I just couldn't. I had to go find a mirror in the bathroom and do the best that I could. Okay, but yeah, so that's how it's gonna look. That's the hair that I need to do another cornrow that's gonna come from the center of my hair and go down on the side. And also I forgot to mention, I'm using the same shine jam to braid this cornrow. And that is the cornrow that I was talking about. And because my hair is not as long, I'm gonna add the hair to it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add this hair. This is the Marley hair, and I'm using the jam. I'm still using the same gel, and I just connected the Marley hair to my hair, and over here I'm just doing a twist. And this is how the hair will look, and we're gonna work with the rest of the hair. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do on this side is part the hair. So this is the first part that I'm parting the hair. I'm parting my hair in 3 parts in the front. Okay, so this is the first parting. And we'll put the rest of the hair away because we don't want it to get in the way. And still using the same jam, the shine jam, I'm just gonna go ahead and use that. And still using the jam, I'm gonna tie that hair like that, and then we'll do the same to the other 2. And then I went ahead and did a simple twist on just the two sections of the hair, except the one that's all the way at the mid part of my head. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the two that's already twisted with the third section of the hair. Man, I hope it's making sense, but as you can see, I feel like sometimes just looking is better than listening, you know what I'm saying? So hope it makes sense. But yeah, just gonna attach that and do the other side. Boom. Okay, and we are just gonna attach the rest of the hair that's remaining, and this time I'm gonna use my good old Eco Styler gel to do the rest of the hair. And this is the Marley hair that I'm using. You can use any kind of hair that you like, that you prefer. Of course, I had to kind of make my hair sleek a little bit, you know, that way the style can even last longer. So I'm using this silk hair scarf. And you're just gonna twist that. Okay. Just like you would do a twist, and tie the end of the twisted braid and secure it with some bobby pins, you know. And that's the end of the hairstyle. I went ahead and accessorized it. As you can see, I got my accessories from Amazon if anybody wants to know. And that's it. That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye, guys.